Welcome to Woodlands Maths videos. I'm going to be looking at sequences today, and the intention is to find a formula for the nth term. Well, we're going to start off with the sequence 4, 7, 10, 13. And the easiest way for that is to find out what your gap is between the first term and the second term. And then check it's the same for the second term to the third term. Here, I'm going up in threes. So here's your wee magic bit. If you're adding 3 here, then we automatically change that into a times 3. And what I'm going to do, that tells me to put the 3 times table above the numbers that I'm starting with. So 3, 6, 9, 12. How do I then get from my 3 times table to the number that I've got? Well, all I'm doing is adding on 1 each time. 6 add 1 is 7, 9 add 1 is 10, 12 add 1 is 13. So there we've got times 3, add 1, and that allows me to write down a formula, change the times 3 into 3n plus 1. Straightforward, I hope. I'm going to try a second one for you. I've got 8, 13, 15 and 23. What do we look for? Check the pattern, add 5. Check the pattern, add 5. Because it's add 5, it becomes times 5. I write the 5 times table above the numbers 5, 10, 15, 20, and then I'm looking to correct those, and I correct them by adding on 3. So I'm looking at times 5, add 3, and I change that into 5n plus 3. Now, what does the nth term really get by? Well, if I wanted to know what is the 100th number in that sequence, so if I kept going along these numbers until I got to the 100th one, what on earth would that number be? Well, all we need to do is swap the n value here with 100. So I'm going to do 3, I'm going to times it by 100, and I'm going to add on 1. So my 100th number here would be 301. If I do the 8, 13, 18, 23, which I've got as 5n plus 3, I want to know the 100th number in that sequence. That would take me hours. So this time I'm going to do 5 times my n value. I've told you is the 100th number. And then I'm going to add on 3 again. That's giving me 503 as my 100th term in the sequence. There's a wee hopeful, helpful sequences formula. All done. Magic.